Good morning to all the students of class 6. Most welcome to all of you in this video lecture. This is Karnesh Mishra, subject teacher of social study from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. From Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, today I am going to explain you the remaining portions of the history chapter 4, that is first cities. So today we will discuss or we will learn about the river valley civilization. So let's start. Dear students, all ancient civilizations flourished on the banks of river for the three reasons. There were three reasons of river valley civilizations or ancient civilizations flourished on the bank of rivers. First of all, the rivers provided an abundant supply of water. Secondly, the land near rivers are extremely fertile for agriculture. Thirdly, river could be used as a means of transportation. Rivers could be used as a means of transportation. Okay, dear students. So Mesopotamia in the present day in Iraq, Egypt, the Indian subcontinent and China were the cradles of some of the most important river valley civilization during the ancient period. We are going to discuss about such a civilizations, ancient civilizations, Indus Valley civilizations. Dear students, the Indus Valley civilizations was a river valley civilizations that flourished in the region drained by the river Indus and its tributaries. It was also one of the world's most advanced ancient civilizations. How Indus Valley civilizations was discovered? Let's know about it. The first extensive excavations at Harappa was started by Rai Bahadur Dayaram Sahani in the year 1920. Around the same time, in the year 1921, excavations were also carried out at Mohenjo-daro by Rekhal Das Bandyopadhyay. Dear students, gradually the times of one of the earliest river valley civilizations of the world were unearthed. The first two cities of Indus Valley civilizations to be excavated were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. They were also the two biggest cities of these civilizations. Harappa was the first city to be excavated. This civilization is also known as Harappa civilization. Period and geographical events. So dear students, according to the historian इतिहासकार के अनुसार the Indus Valley civilizations began in 2600 BCE, यानी कि सिंधु घाटी की सभ्यता का प्रारंभ जो है 2600 ईसा पूर्व होता है इतिहासकारों के अनुसार. Excavations reveals that it spread over large parts of present day Pakistan and the states of Punjab, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Haryana in our country. It even reached the modern day Balochistan, Afghanistan, some parts of Central Asia and Iraq. Some of the important sites of Indus Valley civilizations are Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothal, Kot Dei, Dhalavira in Gujarat, Ropar in Punjab, Kalibangam in Rajasthan, सबके अंडर in Rakhigarh, Rakhi, Grahi, and Amri in Pakistan. Indus sites and their futures. Dear students, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were planned cities. They had almost identical planning, layout, and constructions technique. They were probably the twin capital. Another striking similarity was the pottery found in almost every city. Red pottery painted with a design in black, also known as red and black ware. These and other artifacts such as remains of brick structures, seals, terracotta figurines, etc., help in constructing the lives of people living in Indus Valley civilizations. Dear students, like you know, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are located in Larkana and Montgomery district of Pakistan, Sindh and Punjab provinces respectively. Mohenjo-daro means Mount of the Dead and Harappa means the foot of Lord Shiva. Now come on page number 128, town planning. How was the town planning of the Indus Valley civilizations? Let's know about it. Dear students, town planning is one of the unique features of the Indus Valley civilization. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता की जो नगर योजना थी वो बहुत बड़ी विशेषता थी, इसकी अपनी विशेषता थी. Most of the cities seems to be divided into two parts. बहुत से जो सब दो भागों में, दो हिस्सों में बटे थे. The citadel, which was located on the raised ground, and the lower town located at a lower height. Often, walls of backed bricks were built around each part. Walls of backed bricks were laid. Walls of backed bricks were built around each part. These walls probably protected them from floods. To make the walls strong, the bricks were laid in an interlocking patterns. Citadel. Dear students, it was the raised part of the city. It was often described as the fort or administrative block. The citadel had massive walls. The walls provided protections against floods. The walls provided protections against floods. The citadel consisted of important buildings like the granary and the assembly or town hall. The granary at Mohenjo-daro was a large building of the city. In Harappa, there were as many as 6 granaries. How many granaries were there? 6 granaries. These were circular bricks platforms for threshing grain. Near these granaries, cracked grains found on the threshing floor, so that the Harappa grew wheat and barley. The lower town. Dear students, the lower town was located below the citadel, where probably the common people lived, जहाँ पर आम आदमी लोग रहते थे. It was divided into rectangular block by white roads. It was divided into rectangular blocks by white roads. The roads run from north to south and east to west. Here the remains of the brick houses can be seen. The drainage system was praiseworthy. Provisions were made for street lighting. Now dear students, let you know about the great bath of Indus Valley civilizations. Close to the granary, there was a great bath. It was a pool built of mud circles. It was sealed with a sort of tar and had a drain for keeping it clean. There were two flights of steps to enter into the pool. A well discovered on the eastern side is supposed to have been used a well discovered on the eastern side is supposed to have been used to fill the pool. Priests and rulers may have bathed here before religious ceremony or before going to worship their Lord. Drainage system. Dear students, the drains were made of bucket or kiln fired bricks. The kitchen and the bathroom had drains leading. The kitchen and bathroom had drains leading out in the alleys. The main drain ran alongside the main roads and was lined with the bricks. Most of them were covered with slabs of stone. The drains were cleaned periodically. They were connected to the main drain in the street. Now let me know about the occupations of Indus Valley civilizations. Dear students, the Indus people were farmers, weavers, potters and metal workers, toy makers, jewelers, stone cutters and traders. So these were the occupations of the Indus people. एग्रीकल्चर वॉज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट ऑक्यूपेशंस, जिसमें उनका सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जो मुख्य पेशा जो था वो कृषि था. बिकॉज ऑफ द फर्टाइल सॉइल, क्योंकि भूमि क्या थी, काफी उपजाऊ थी. फार्मर्स कल्टिवेटेड टू क्रॉप्स अ ईयर. Indus Valley people were probably the first to have grown paddy. तो इंडस वैली के लोग सबसे पहले जो कपास की खेती किए थे. They knew different method of irrigation. वे सिंचाई के बहुत सारे विधियों को जानते थे. They knew the different methods of irrigation and used plow and sickles. The Indus peoples were also engaged in hunting, fishing and gathering fruits. The potter's wheel was commonly used making terracotta toys, statues, figures of animals, etc. was a major industry. The discovery of the bronze statue of a dancing girl indicates that they knew the use of bronze. It is regarded as one of the first artistic creations of these civilizations. Now seal making. Dear students, the large number of seal, approximately 2000, have been unearthed so far at different sites. They are flat, square and rectangular and are made of terracotta. They provide a lot of information about the daily life of the Indus people, their religion, occupation, customs and trade. Probably they were used by merchants and traders to stamp their goods, spinning and weaving. Dear students, the Indus peoples were skilled in the art of spinning and weaving. They manufactured woolen cloth from sheep and goat's hair. They manufacture woolen cloths from sheep and goat's hair. Now let you know about the trade. The Indus people had engaged themselves in inland and foreign trade. जो इंडस पीपल थे यानी सिंधु घाट के पिता के जो लोग थे वे इनलैंड एंड फॉरेन ट्रेड से जो जुड़े हुए थे. रिमेन्स ऑफ डॉक यार्ड डिस्कवर्ड एट लोथल इन गुजरात क्लियरली इंडिकेट दैट दिस डॉक यार्ड माइट हैव बीन द प्लेस वेयर द शिप्स वर लोडेड एंड अनलोडेड. Thus we can say that Indus peoples were familiar with the ship. हम कह सकते हैं कि उस समय लोग जो है शिप भी बनाना जानते थे. डॉक यार्ड पे मालूम चलता है यहाँ पर शिप से लोग माल को लोड अनलोड करते थे, ले जाते थे. So they were familiar with the ships. Indus seals have been found in Mesopotamia. Indus seals have been found in Mesopotamia at several Indus sites. It suggests that the Indus people had a trade relations with Mesopotamia. The merchant also used various kinds of weights and measures. Now, dear students, we will know or we will study about the social life of Indus Valley civilizations. So dear students, there were three social groups. The first group comprised people from the ruling class who lived in the citadel. Wealthy merchants and high priests belonged to the first group. Some historians think that Indus sites were governed by a priest king. The figure of a person in a regal attire who looks like a priest probably suggests this. The pretty merchants, artisans and craftspersons belong to the second group. The laborers belong to the third group and lived in small houses. Dress and ornaments. Dear students, what was the dressing sense of the Indus peoples? So dear students, the ornament of Indus Valley peoples were made of gold, silver, bone, stone, ivory and shell. The ornaments of Indus Valley peoples were made of gold, silver, bone, stone, ivory and shell. The rich wore gold. जो धनी लोग थे सोना पहनते थे and silver ज्वेलरी और चांदी के ज्वेलरी. The poor used shell, copper and silver ornaments. और जो गरीब थे वे सेल और कॉपर सिल्वर के ऑर्नामेंट्स पहनते थे, चांदी के, तांबे और चांदी के ऑर्नामेंट्स पहनते थे. सो द वुमेन वोर द शॉर्ट स्कर्ट. वुमेन शॉर्ट स्कर्ट्स पहनती थी. इट वाज हेल्ड एट द वेस्ट विद द गिrdle. द मेन वोर अ लॉन्ग एंड लूज अनस्टिच्ड गारमेंट. Women wore necklace, bangles, bracelets, earrings and waistbands. The women combed their hair. The women combed their hair. Men had also adorned themselves with ornaments like armlet and finger rings. Okay, dear students, now what do they eat? Let you know. Wheat and barley were the staple food of the people. Wheat and barley were the staple food of the people of the Indus peoples. They were fond of milk, meat, fish, eggs and fruits. Script. The हड़प्पा स्क्रिप्ट was pictography. जो हड़प्पा के लोग थे उनका जो लिपि था वो क्या था? पिक्टोग्राफिक था. The pictures like signs present ideas, objects and the world. The script has been engraved on the numerous seals that have been found at all the Indus Valley sites. It is interesting to note that the Indus script has not yet been deciphered. रिलीजियस, डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वहाँ के लोग के धार्मिक विचार क्या थे? धार्मिक जीवन कैसा था? अ सील रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ मेल deity and some female figurines found at different sites suggests that they probably worshipped Pasupati यानी शिवा and the mother goddess represented fertility. There are no temples or other structure among the remains. So Indus people believed in life after death. वे लोग पुनर्जन्म में विश्वास रखते थे. They buried their dead in a used earthen pots along with the food and ornaments. No structures from any sites has been identified so far as a religious building, and there are no icons or ornaments designed to support this. It can thus be concluded that religion was not perhaps the basis of social bonding. Okay, dear students, how these civilizations declined? Dear students, Indus Valley civilization started declining between 1900 BCE and 1700 BCE. Nothing definite is known about the causes of the decline of civilizations. The city of Mohenjo-daro was destroyed and rebuilt a number of times. The cities might have been destroyed by natural disaster like earthquake, floods, or change in the course of river Indus. The cities might also have declined owing to the Aryan inventions. Probably deforestation was another cause for the decline of this civilization. That's all. Thank you for listening me. Have a great day to all of you. Tomorrow we will start the new chapter. Once again, have a great day to all of you.